And this is where the rubber meets the road. This is the previous cycle in the modern minimum, 1640. They knew this is a reconstruction of temperature where the crops were lost. So if we're coming into repeating cycles, you already know where the crops are going to be lost, all right? This is the main thing. They already knew where they were lost the last cycle and the previous cycles before that, talking about first peoples that had sent legends and stories down of, cataclysms and how, in New Zealand, the islands were pulled out of the water by fishermen. Well, that was obviously a zero magnetic field state on our planet where, like in that movie 2012, where island just rose out of the ocean. I mean, there's some real validity behind a lot of these stories, myths, and legends. They just couldn't explain it because they didn't have the science at the time. This cycle is repeated again and again and again through stories, through time and history of just look at the map where cultures have come and gone and disappeared. And this is going to map up again. So if we're going to lose a lot of agriculture in North America and we're going to lose a lot of agriculture over in Europe and then in China, we're going to have to set up a new grow zone somewhere on the planet. And that's why your BRICS and all the investment in North Africa and the Sahel have just magically appeared. The stability is amazing.